Alright, folks. We are going to do a cleanup on this folding hunter. Now, this thing is, it's been carried and it's been used. Blades are still in fairly good shape. Got a little bit of rust on them, but I think we can get most of that out. We're going to shine the bolsters up, shine the handles up, and most of all, give it a good cleaning. If you can see down in that trench right there, it is got a lot of pocket lint and stuff like that down in it. It is a used knife. I think it's a daily user. Got a little chip in the handle that we're not going to repair. We're just doing a cleanup on this, and well, we'll see where it goes. So the first thing that we're going to do is get all this gunk out of these trenches. There is a bunch in there. See all that, folks? A lot of gunk in there. But we are going to get it all out. We're going to clean this baby up and give her a second lease on life. I always like to try to get back up that way under the tang of the blade there, just to make sure to get anything that may be trapped up in there. Then I like to close the knives a little and do another reach, because we just pulled out another gob of stuff. That pocket lint and stuff will hide in some every crevice in there. That's looking pretty good down in there now. Alright, folks, just to show you, that's what can build up down in those trenches. A lot of gunk. A lot of gunk. So, we are now going to cut us a piece of this trusty stuff off. And dig a little further. I don't know that I'm going to get that down in there real good. So, tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to go straight to the sandpaper. Now, this is just a light grit sandpaper. And see all that gunk coming out of there? I like to do that. Oh, not only does that help clean out the gunk, you can get down in there a little further with the sandpaper, but it also will help get the stuff off the inside of the liners of the knife. And it helps you completely clean that back spring too. It sands all the corrosion and stuff off of that back spring down in there, which, trust me, is a big help. Because if you leave that stuff on there, over time it's just going to eat away. See all that? We're still getting a lot of gunk out of that knife. So we will keep digging. I hope this fan that I got going is not overriding the sound too much. I've got an air conditioner out here in the shop, but it just don't seem to be doing its job anymore. But I'm going to be thankful for my shop. I'm going to be thankful for that fan that's making that noise. And I'm going to be thankful that I'm able to sit here and clean this knife up. There's so much to be thankful for, folks. Way too much to be thankful for to have a negative attitude. So many good things going on in life. You just gotta look a little harder sometimes. But doing this stuff right here is it's a true blessing for me. I love doing it. I've been out here in the shop tonight since my wife and my doggies went to bed. This is just like therapy for me right here. Getting to do this. I love it. It relaxes my mind. Now I've got, whew, this is just something I'm working on right here. Oh, I've got some railroad spikes. I'm painting right now. I'm waiting to put another coat on them. I got some knife handles glued up. Waiting on them to dry. Oh, I've got a custom knife stand that I am putting a clear coat on. So, waiting to get another coat on it. Just a lot of things going on out here. Alright. I think we're starting to look pretty good down in there. We're going to go in with a napkin. Yeah, look at there, folks. But I'm telling you, she's starting to look good. Starting to look good down in there. This is a knife that belongs to, and Lord, I can't call his name. I thought I had it right there on the tip of my tongue, and about the time I was going to say it, I forgot it. Oh, goodness. Anyway, uh, he's my new bug guy. Just met him for the first time. Last hmm, Thursday or Friday one. Oh, super nice guy. And when he was spraying in the house, he walked into my little man cave in there and walked back out, and he said, "Can you get up and come in here with me? Oh, so I can look at these knives." And I thought, oh goodness, got us a knife guy here. So we talked knives for a little while, and oh, he pulled this one out of his pocket, and I seen that it needed a good cleaning and a good shining up. So I told him, I said, if you'll leave that with me, I'll uh, I'll do some cleaning and wiping on it for you. And of course, he was glad to do it because he knew it needed it, and I knew it needed it, and I was in the position to do it. And he said, how much you charge me to do that? And I said, well, I said, I ain't gonna charge you a dime to do it. So I'm gonna do it on the house for you, no charge. He kind of looked at me, and I said, yeah. I said, oh, no charge. I said, we'll call this a gesture of friendship. And so he was happy with that. So was I. So I think we've got most of everything out of that uh, trench in there. So we are going to move over to the fiber wheel. Y'all have seen that plenty, so I ain't going to bore you with it, but I will be back. All right, I'll give you a quick update on it here. That's coming off the fiber wheel. Got most of the stuff off the blades. I'm not going to dig in too deep on the blades because there are some thin spots on them. And so we got all the surface rust off of them. So we're going to leave it at that. Oh, and now we're going to take it over to uh, the buffer, buff everything up real good. And if we need to, we'll do a little further wiping down over here. But she's coming along. I'm not going to bother y'all with the buffing. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Well, I think by the time we get it wiped down here, this one's going to be good to go. I don't think there's going to be no point in doing anything else to it. She took a nice shine. That old bone is still pretty stuff. Pretty stuff. Well, if I can hold on to it. Look at there, folks. It's shining like a brand new penny now. Ain't that pretty? Alright, we're going to put a little redemption oil in it. And we're going to call it quits. Some blades good and lubed up. Nice snap. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there, folks. This old girl is ready for round 2 or 3 or 5 or 10. I don't really know the whole story behind this little baby, but I know she's held up to the test of time and come out shining. Hey, folks, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. Hope maybe you picked up a thing or two, help you out in your journey. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all sure are a blessing to my channel. If you're watching and you hadn't subscribed yet, I would greatly appreciate it if you would. Help keep the channel growing. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Let me know what you think. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. God bless.